Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to watch how to apply for a work visa to Germany. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through a service. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply for a visa to Germany, the first way I would suggest is to go through Visa Navigator because it tells you what to do. So for example, I am over here on official Visa Navigator site. So you can just click on quick check because when you are going to work, it's gonna be a like long stay, right? What is your nationality? So let's say you are an Indian national. So you need to select based on the case by case. Okay, like if you fall into these two options, you're gonna do that. What do you want to do in Germany? You select work. What is your highest degree of professional qualification? IT with university degree, or if you have this. So you have like all the categories available. So if you go for university degree, and if you have done it from other and you have got it recognized, then it is asking, do you have a job offer? So salary is very important. It's a huge number, right? Year because, and so let's say you have got a job offer and the salary is less than that. Okay, so in this case 56,099 euros per year or less. So in this case you can apply for a work visa with a contract. Okay, so so you need to apply residence permit, right? Okay, so you need to fill online application form, passport, biometric passport, job offer, pre-approval. Okay, proof that qualification is recognized in Germany, job offer that said yourself, please ask your employer to complete this form. So which form is this? Let's see. So this is going to be filled by your employer. So if I go in English, can I do it? But if you are going for a German employer, definitely like they should be able to put in the Germany. So okay, fine, this I won't go through because this needs to be done. So so next step, check the site of German embassy consul in your country residence for additional requirements in your country. Okay, and book appointment. Complete the visa application form. So supporting documents we have already seen, and this is the visa application form. So let's see what we are gonna. So as I said, let's say you are from India. So if you search from India, you have, yeah, you do. Perfect. So you have embassy of New Delhi. You have a multiple location. So if I go for there, they have a website also. So let's go through the website. We may find out more information. Perfect. If I go to menu, do I have anything? Services, visa information. So as you see that they have again outsourced it to VFS. Okay, so let's go through. Okay, they have given a link here. Let's see what it opens to. VFS and the general. What documents are procedure mean? External service provider. Okay, fine. German national visa. So this is like, this is the one. Checklist for documents. Okay, perfect. See, now we have all the information available. So for employment visa, this is not the blue card. Checklist, you have the checklist over here. application form, declaration, 3 passport, annexure, employment contract, CV and job description, proof of qualification, certificate, original 2 copies, demand draft certificate. Fine. So this is really good. You can go through it. Now I'm going to VFS. So this is VFS here. So as you can see, for Federal Republic of Germany in India. So it again, it depends on location by location. So you have link to apply for visa, book for appointment. So that's fine. So step by step guide. Let's see what they have. Identify the visa type. Okay. So based on your location, this is where you are gonna submit. All right. Now begin your application. So this we have already seen. Perfect. Okay, so we have already opened this. So we can change the language here. Yeah, this is good. So what are the details they are gonna ask? Name, nationality, marital status, place of birth. This is fine. Parents of the applicant, so they have asked for mother and father, nationality also. Those questions that are mandatory are marked with mandatory sign and in bold. But if you, in my personal suggestion, even if some questions are not mandatory, if you have valid answers to them, why to hide, right? Current address, identification, we have passport, travel date, purpose of stay, employment. So when you go for work, this is what you're going to do. Reference, okay. Means of support, how you're going to support. So once you are done through this, it will generate the document that you can print, sign, and then you can schedule the appointment at VFS based on your location, and then you can go and pay the fee. All right. So if I say pay a fee, so here you have like all the information. Long-term visa, of course, long-term visa, visa fee. So it's given even in INR. Fine. Documents required. Again, it is pointing to the same site we have gone through. Photo, visa form, same link, and FAQs. You can go through that as well. So this is gonna really help you, and I hope you're gonna like this video. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Mode of payment, you can see.